It's late January, which is usually when we start prepping the wildlife homestead for spring. The boys are headed out to check the nest boxes that they built and put up last year. It's a pretty quick job, just some basic cleaning and maintenance before the birds start scouting for nesting sites next month. But clean nest boxes aren't my only aim. I'm raising my boys to be Earthkeepers, which means teaching them that we aren't just owners of this land, but, more accurately, caretakers of a sacred gift we belong to. I think there's real value in teaching our kids to care for things, especially the things that can't thank them back. We're pulling out last year's nests to clear out any mites or parasites that might be wandering over in the nesting material. Also, if we just left them there, the birds would simply build new nests on top of the old ones. That stacks the nest height, bringing any potential eggs from this year way too close to the entrance hole, making it all that much easier for predators to access them.
Are you going to my bluebird nest?
You're seeing bluebirds out here?
Yeah.
And you had some nests in there, huh?
You have to nest because the poop bacteria is like bad for the birds.
So you saw that nest in there?
Yeah.
Why don't you get stable, and then you can use this. That's good. Whoa. I'll get you a glove here, and then a brush, and you clean that out, okay? That's it?
They use this one on pine needles.
Pine needles they used?
More pine needles.
It's cool. You see anything else in there?
Mostly pine needles.
Mostly pine needles? Alright, I'll get you a glove, and you can pull it out. Can you see anything in there? Any eggshells or anything? Masks and gloves are a good idea because of the dust and critters I just mentioned. We simply have the boys stand up one while they scrape and brush them out. Once they're cleared and clean, we just hit them with a quick bleach solution. A 1:9 ratio of bleach to water works well, and after spraying them, we simply let the sun do the rest. The main thing is to leave them open to dry in the sun for a day or so, which allows the bleach to break down.
It's my buddy.
Did you build that?
Yep.
Cool. We saw, what kind of bird did we see go in there?
Western bluebird.
You had a western bluebird in there. Cool. Well, let's get you a ladder and you can go up there and clean it. When's a good time to clean these?
In January and February.
Yeah, in the winter when there's not activity in there, nobody's actively nesting in there, and so it's ready for the next season, right?
Yep, this is a good time to fix these.
Yeah, you could repair some of these maybe. Looks like this one we need to attach better, right?
Yep.
It's okay. We made that, you made that out of plywood, right? You put a little predator guard on there too, huh? So we just do a little TLC on these, huh?
What's TLC?
Tender loving care. Can you say TLC?
TLC.
Tender loving care?
Tender loving care.
We also try to fix any structural problems as we go. It's a simple process, but it's about the discipline of maintenance. In a world that's used to just throwing things away, I want these boys to understand the lost art of actually taking care of things. We also have this robin nest shelf from last year that we never got around to putting up. It just needs a quick coat of paint to match the house and help it keep from rotting. While the boys are painting, I'm just going around checking the rest of the nest boxes, the roofs, to make sure that they're watertight, and that the drainage holes on the bottom of the floor aren't clogged up with debris. We're doing this now because prospecting by the birds usually starts by mid-February across most of the country, and if the boys find some clean grass in the nest boxes, we simply leave it. That usually just means someone's still using it as a winter roost to stay warm, so we'll give those residents another week or two before we do the final sweep. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please be sure to like it and share it with a fellow bird brain. This simple action helps our channel out an awful lot, and might encourage others to install their very own nest box, resulting in even bigger positive impacts for native birds. As a thanks for doing so, check out these cute little nesting birds. That's pretty much it. The old boxes are clean, dry, and otherwise fixed, and our new nest shelf is finally up. The boys are learning what it means to be stewards, or Earthkeepers, and the bird sanctuary is ready for 2026 nesting. It's just an hour or so of work, but it's how we stay connected to the rhythms of this place, while learning a few lessons ourselves, and helping foster the next generation of boys and birds. Well, we'll see you in the next one.